National Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a tornado warning for northern Decatur County in south-central Iowa, southeastern Union County in south-central Iowa, eastern Ringgold County in south-central Iowa, southwestern Clark County in south-central Iowa, until 1:30 p.m. At 12:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles northwest of Hatfield, or 8 miles south of Mount Ayr, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Mount Ayr Municipal Airport around 12:45 p.m. Kellerton around 12:55 p.m. Beaconsfield around 1 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Sun Valley Lake, Grand River, Decatur City, and Van Wert. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 12 and 25. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:30 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Clark, Decatur,